Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a trusted way to protect your computer or mobile device from malware, ransomware, and online threats, then Malwarebytes is one of the best tools you can get. And the good news is you don't have to pay full price. I've got working coupon codes and discounts from malwarebytes.com that will save you money right now. Stick with me until the end because I'll share multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the best deal in 2025. Malwarebytes is well known for its powerful malware detection and removal, real-time protection, and lightweight performance. Whether you need it for personal use or business, it's an excellent choice to keep your devices safe. And with the right coupon code, you can lock in huge savings. Here are the codes you can try. MB30OFF. Save up to 30% off premium plans. Secure 2025, extra 20% off for new users. MAL10 save flat 10% off any Malwarebytes subscription. Business 25. Get 25% off Malwarebytes for teams or business plans. Free month MB. Enjoy 1 month free on selected packages. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your plan, apply one of these codes at checkout, and watch your price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum savings, try another. One of these will definitely work in 2025, so don't wait. Online threats aren't going anywhere, and your devices deserve top-level protection. Hit the link in the description, grab your discount, and start protecting your devices with Malwarebytes today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more software deals and discount codes, and let me know in the comments which plan you picked. See you in the next one.